Alright, so if you have seen the course videos in order, which is always a good thing, then at this point you should be able to do the following. Number one is to grab a command over Twitter without the need to log in into a Twitter. Number two, you should be able to submit a text into Google form, also without logging into Google account. Now last thing, you should be able to upload files into SourceForge. Okay, so you might be asking what combination the hacker can do with these services. Well, they can do the following. They can send a command like ipconfig as a tweet, and then they can make multiple infected targets to parse the tweet and execute the commands. And after execute the command, the execution result, they can be submitted to a Google form. Or if the command syntax or format was containing the grab keyword, just like the way that we did before module 2 as grab star path, then the target will upload the files into our SourceForge repository. Now, in modern firewalls, the botnet filtering feature is looking for a certain criteria or parameters, like the application or protocol being used by the modern botnets, like IRC, dynamic DNS, as well as the number of sessions are created from the inside to the outside host. So all of these will be considered by the modern or next generation firewall to verify if this traffic was belonged to a botnet or not. Also, no need to mention that the reputation filtering is also a part of these inspection and filtering. Now, the benefits for building a botnet based on a well-known trusted servers is first, we don't use an IRC channels or dynamic DNS. Next, we don't have to to interact, or we don't have a direct interaction with the attacker machine. The last point, that is all of these servers or services are well known and trusted. Now I have to warn you that if you do abuse these services and use them out of the lab environment, you are violating the terms and agreement, and eventually you will go to jail. So keep in mind that my point here is to open your eyes to similar types of attacks so you can be aware of them. So what I want you to do is to challenge yourself and try to combine and squeeze all of these scripts into one advanced shell, and then try to infect multiple virtual machines running Windows 7 within your home lab environment. After that, or finally, you will be able to control them and exfiltrate data. Last point, which we didn't mention up to this video, is the encryption. In the next video, we will see how easily to build XOR encryption and mask our clear text traffic. Thank you very much for watching.